Welcome everyone to the AI-powered finance guide tutorial. Today, I will show you how to create your account on AIPF. To begin, you must have a referral link from the person who invited you. Once you open the link, click the Get Started button. Next, press Connect and select the wallet you prefer to use. Proceed with the wallet connection and verification process. After a successful connection, your account will be created automatically. You will now see your personal referral link displayed in the dashboard section. Next step, stake your tokens. First, navigate to the swap section. Enter the amount of USDT you want to convert into AIPF tokens for staking. Once confirmed, press Swap and approve the transaction in your wallet. Next, go to the staking section. Here, you can choose a staking period: 24 hours, 45 days, 90 days, 180 days, or 360 days. For this demonstration, I will choose the 360-day staking plan. Click Stake. Enter the amount of AIPF tokens you wish to stake and confirm by pressing Stake again. Your tokens are now successfully staked. That's how you can stake AIPF tokens.